myself on the side, so you can't really tell it's me, and put on a hat or something.
Yeah, I'm gonna turn down the volume on this video here. It's the TV I was telling you about. It's the 1080p TV from the free outdoor antenna. See, where you would go is you would go into your menu and you'll go to channel. Once you get to channel, it'll say something, it said auto scan. Then you put it on auto scan and then it will bring up all your channels. So I'm not going to do that because I already did that and set it all up, because I didn't want to go through boring you about how it scans the channel. So that's just the place you go right here to your channel. Then you'll go to air. It'll say air, and then once you go to air, it'll say auto scan, and once you auto scan it, that's what will come up there to have all your channels coming in. So I'm going to show you here your channels. Okay, now this is channel 10. So that's one channel. This is the ABC channel. So when you are trying to get your local channels, you can get into your local channels here. So if you want like your local news, because say for instance you have a Fire Stick, that's how I have now. I have a Fire Stick, and then I'm using this TV antenna for my local channels. So this is the ABC. This is your bounce channel here, which your bounce channel comes in at like about 480. It's not as good as your ABC and your NBC. And here's your CW. That's the CW channel. And this is your Circle channel. It's a country channel, you know, Beverly Hillbillies. You get a bunch of like the old school pictures. And here's your public TV here. It'll go in and out. It's just like this is the 14 create. And see what it is, sometimes this will distort, but you have another one right behind this one. After you come out of this kids, you have this, and it shows clear. I don't know why it's doing that now with the 14, but the 25 is your Georgia Public TV, and it comes in when your kids might want to have a little entertainment, you know. Then this is your Create channel here. It's still a public TV. And this is your Knowledge channel. It's still Georgia Public TV Knowledge. So it's pretty, it's like 720 probably. And you have this kids channel here. That's the same channel that was distorted from the first one down to 14. So that's where you will get these channels when those are not acting, those are not showing. And this is another channel here. It's your 27 -1, and this is your the other bounce. This is your grit channel, you know, your cowboys, you know, your old westerns, stuff like that. And this is the escape channel, where you have your mysteries and your crime videos and all that. And this is your court TV. You know, you have your court, you know, different judges coming on with court TV. And this is your newsy channel here. You know, there's a bunch of news, different newses, and it shows up pretty decent. But all of this is free, mind you. And this is your Fox. You know, and Fox, it comes in like 1080p. So it's a pretty decent quality channeling. So I would show, that's why I'm trying to show you now how you could save money, and then you could have you know, pretty decent TV to watch. And this is your TBD channel. It's a bunch of videos about, you know, like how you have fun with your pets and all this. It's a pretty good channel. It's a drone channel. They show a lot of different pictures of drone coverage and all that. It's pretty good. And this is your comment channel. It shows older movies too. It's not as good. It's like maybe 480. And here's your charge right here. Well, you know, I said old school stuff like your Knight Rider and different channels like that. So you get a bunch of old school stuff as well as your new stuff. And this is another CW here. It shows in 1080p. Then that's that other circle channel I was telling you about, but they cycle out through different channels.